So here I will explain you the concept of class, objects, methods. So first let me explain you how to create a class. Theory we have already gone through. So example I am explaining you. So according to class syntax, how to write a class? You should write class space, name of the class I am giving it as box, and first let me take only variables and then explain you in the first example. That is, I am taking double is data type, we have to declare space width double height, and I am taking one more variable depth. So three variables we have declared in the class. Then after this class declaration you have to write main class. Main class means what? Class demo. I am giving name for main class as demo, and here usually or however you write this public static void main string args. Okay, in this, see, this is what you have to understand here. That is, we have defined a class. Now you have to create object for this class. How to create? So what is the name of the class here? Box. So let me give class name box space object. I am taking it as some object b1 object, any variable. So it is of this type, box class type. So we have declared an object here. Okay. Next is you have to write here new, and then you are creating object of class type box. So box. So you are creating a object b1 of class box. This is the syntax. Okay, I have created that. Now I am declaring one variable double v1. Okay, now what I am doing here is v1 dot, by using object I am calling variables of this class. b1 dot width is equal to 10, b2 dot height is equal to 20, b3 dot depth is equal to 30. We have assigned all these. Now we are computing volume for this. So v1 is equal to, you are calculating the volume like this, b1 dot width into, sorry, here b1 only ma, only one variable here na, b1 dot height into b1 dot depth. Okay, so in v1 this calculated value will be stored, and you are printing system dot out dot println volume is, what is that? v1. Okay, so you are closing this main and this class. Now whenever you execute the program, now name of the file is, file you should give as demo.java. This capital letter demo.java, not box.java. Okay, the class name which contains public static main, that should be given as class name. Now whenever you execute this program, you will get output as after execution you will get output as volume is 3000.0. Understood? This is how you have to create a class, create a variable object for that, and then assign values to variables of the class, and then make use of those variables. I think you have understood this clearly. Okay, you try this and execute, and you find out, you assign values to length and breadth, and then calculate area of a rectangle. Okay, will you do that? So that is the homework.